Casino stocks taking a hit on reports of illegal gambling operations and money laundering in Macau. Let's get to Contessa Brewer, who's got the details on this. Contessa.
And Melissa, those stocks were an improvement over when this market first opened this morning. The CEO of Macau's biggest junket operator, Sun City, was arrested on cross-border gambling charges, allegedly involving cryptocurrency. Shares of MGM China, Sands China, and Wynn Macau immediately took a steep dive. You can see them down. MGM China actually fell, well, maybe you're not seeing that, but they fell like 10%. And then when the markets opened here, as I said, the casino stocks took a hit, but then rebounded. Why would that be? Let me tell you. Junkets are the VIP segment, right? That's organized gambling for high rollers. That segment has been under pressure for years. According to Bernstein analysts, the junket business is in decline and will never return to its future scale in Macau. That's a quote from their note today. Here's the numbers laid out by Deutsche Bank today. In 2013, the VIP segment generated $29.8 billion in gaming revenue. The mass market was about half that. And then came the junket crackdown in 2014. By 2019, the junkets brought in less than half of the total gaming revenue in Macau, with some of those players that had been in junkets turning to premium mass. Deutsche Bank estimates in 2023, a decade from what I just showed you, the mass segment will bring in twice as much as the VIP segment, so a total reversal. The company insiders I spoke with today kind of shrugged about this arrest of a junket boss. They say the more pressing concern is the Omicron coronavirus variant and the impact that might have on visitation restrictions in Macau because, as you know, Melissa, they're nowhere near bounced back.
Yep. Contessa, thank you. Contessa Brewer. Throw in a JP Morgan number, and that's an estimate of 1.1 to 4% of operators' earnings in 2023 will be from the VIP segment. So a shrinking part of the puzzle, as Contessa had highlighted. At the same time, crackdowns in China, Tim, I mean, that's just part of the risk in this trade here that doesn't end.
Yeah, you have both, kind of headwinds coming at you right here on that headline. I think great reporting by Contessa, because I think the trend here on VIP versus mass is what it is. I think there is concern that this is singling out, but also going after folks using different types of headlines to really just attack the sector and possibly, reissue licenses. I don't think that's what's going on here. And I do think if you're an investor and believe this is just about travel mobility, this is a great trade. And I've been clear on Vegas Sands, and I'm sideways on this trade, mostly through options. I do believe the story here is of a company that's got a lot of cash, being very opportunistic, well positioned in Southeast Asia, not necessarily all in Hong Kong and in Macau. I think this is really a story. Most casinos that don't even have Big Brother in China are running into this kind of a headwind. It's travel mobility. That's an opportunity to me.
Yeah. Grasso, your take on the casino operators, particularly the ones in Macau.
Yeah, so obviously the variant is the major headwind du jour for them. Just when you start to think that they can get their footing below them, you get hit with another variant. So it used to be either you played MGM in the States or you played the leaning towards Macau there. And even MGM is going to get hit with the variant as well. So I think you have to really be cautious over playing Macau. I don't think that you could dive in just yet because the variant is a major headwind and we don't know how this is going to shake out. But I would take a dabble in MGM because I think that will clear up sooner rather than later.